Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this video, we will explore the process of installing LibreNMS on Virtualbox. LibreNMS is an open-source network monitoring and management platform used to monitor the health, performance, and availability of various network devices, services, and infrastructure components within an organization's network. LibreNMS can monitor a wide variety of network devices, including routers, switches, firewalls, wireless access points, and more. It collects data such as device status, traffic utilization, CPU and memory usage, and interface statistics. Installing LibreNMS on Virtualbox involves a series of steps. Here's a basic outline. To initiate the process, it is essential to obtain the LibreNMS Virtualbox image file from the official website. Go to the Download menu. Next, click on OVA image in the Virtual Machines section. After that, download the Virtualbox image file. And then click to import appliance. Select the downloaded LibreNMS OVA. Click Next. You can modify the virtual machine settings if it is necessary. Click on Finish. The virtual machine import process is currently underway. After importing virtual machine, click on Start to start the virtual appliance. Once a virtual machine is started, you can access LibreNMS through a web browser. Next, sign into LibreNMS using the default login details. It is imperative to modify the default login details for security reasons immediately after logging in for the first time.